Rajasthan minister says his government is the Parchi Sarkar. Rajasthan sitting minister Avinash Gehlot says our government is running by chit, Parchi. The comment was made by the minister in the BJP government of the state during the course of a public meeting. And remember that the Congress, particularly Govind Singh Dosara heading the party's Rajasthan unit, often said Bhajanlal government was formed by Parchi. And that is the Parchi Sarkar. Parchi also in reference, remember, a note that was shared, remember, between Vasundhara Raje Scindia and Minister Rajnath Singh when the name had come up, that video had gone viral. But why is a minister saying this is Parchi Sarkar?
पर्ची लाया हमारे तो सरकारी पर्चियों साथ तो और ही जल्द हॉस्पिटल में वो आपत्ति पर्ची लाया हमारे तो सरकारी पर्चियों साथ तो और ही जल्द
All right, so he's given a clarification as well. He has said this is not a fake video. I just said it because it was among my own people. And referring to that the opposition used to say that our government is a Parchi Sarkar. So basically someone appears to be in that Jan Sabha and brings this chit. He said Parchi Laya. And that's what the opposition, everyone has been saying. This government is a Parchi Sarkar. So it was more like a jibe and possibly a casual comment as he was addressing one of the gatherings of his people. But was this a jibe to his own government too?
जनरली जब हम क्षेत्र में जाते हैं तो वहाँ कुछ समस्याएं भी रहती है, कुछ मांग भी होती है, उसके बारे में वो कुछ मुझे पर्ची पर लिखकर दे रहे थे। तो मैंने ही उनको बुलाया, मैंने कहा आप आज ये कुछ क्या लाए हैं, तो बोले मैं पर्ची में ये लिख के लाया हूँ कि ये काम हमारा करना है। तो मैंने स्वाभाविक रूप से हंसते हुए कहा है कि विपक्ष वाले कहते हैं कि ये जो वर्तमान सरकार है पर्ची की सरकार है, हम आपका पर्ची से भी काम करते हैं, आप तो मुझे पर्ची दीजिए, हम आपका काम कर देंगे। उस वीडियो को कट पेस्ट करके मीडिया में जब मुझे आज पता लगा तब मैंने कहा कि उसके बारे में मुझे लोगों को बताना चाहिए, प्रदेश की जनता को बताना चाहिए कि ये सरकार जो है भजनलाल जी की, ये पिछले 13 महीनों में विकास के काम को जिस प्रकार से गति दी है, चाहे वो राइजिंग राजस्थान के इवेंट के माध्यम से हो, चाहे सोलर ऊर्जा में काम करने के माध्यम से हो, चाहे रोजगार देने के मामले की बात हो, सब तरीके से भजनलाल शर्मा जी की सरकार ने बेहतरीन काम किया है और इसको लोग सराह रहे हैं। और लोगों का ये कहना है कि ऐसी सरकार हमने कभी नहीं देखी जो अपने 5 साल के कार्यकाल के पहले वर्ष में इतना ऐतिहासिक काम करे।
Devankur Vadhavan is joining me for the latest on that. Devankur, so was it just a casual comment, a joke, or perhaps a slight jibe at his own government, his own chief minister?
You would remember that when Bhajanlal Sharma was anointed as the chief minister of Rajasthan, that was done through a parchi or a chit that was given by Rajnath Singh to Vasundhara Raje. She opened that chit and named Bhajanlal Sharma. And since then, the Congress in Rajasthan on several occasions have called in a snide remark this BJP government as a Parchi Sarkar. And in particular, the Rajasthan Congress chief Govind Singh Dosara has been calling the BJP government as a Parchi Sarkar. But for a minister in the Bhajanlal Sharma government to make this kind of a remark, even in jest, is something which, may not have been taken lightly by the top bosses of the BJP. If they are aware of the matter, and perhaps, he could be asked for an explanation in this entire matter. The Congress has lapped up this remark. It has mentioned that now the BJP's own minister is calling its government a Parchi Sarkar, and whether any serious repercussions are there for the BJP minister or not.
Though he's clarified, but would the chief minister not be happy that an opposition jibe is being used by one of his own, even if in a casual remark? So we'll wait for that reaction and if there's an update on this. Thank you very much, Devankur Vadhavan. For now, a Parchi Sarkar mention made by a sitting minister.